Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 22. A binary operation on the set of real numbers is defined by m asterisk n is equals to mn over 2. For all m, n is an element of R. If the identity element is 2, find the inverse of minus 5. Find the inverse of minus 5. Now, inverse of minus 5 is equals to minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1, that is 1 over minus 5. So therefore, minus 5 asterisk the inverse minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1 is equals to what? E, and this E represents what? The identity elements. And remember, the identity element is what is given to us as 2. So therefore, that means what? Minus 5 asterisk the inverse, which is minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1, is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. Now, from this expression, m asterisk n is equals to what? Mn over 2. We can therefore say that what? Minus 5 asterisk inverse of minus 5, that's minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1, is equals to what? Minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1 all over 2, which is equal to the identity element 2. Now, from this simply means that what? It simply means that minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1 is equal to 4. That is, this 2 multiply this 2 to give us 4. Now, from here we can simply say that what? Minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1, which is the inverse of minus 5, is equals to what? 4 all over minus 5, and that is equals to minus 4 over 5. So the inverse of minus 5, which is 1 over minus 5, or minus 5 raised to the power of minus 1, is equals to what? Minus 4 over 5, and that is option A, minus 4 over 5. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.